Apple has been a hot topic in the tech news today for multiple reasons. First off, the company is under the microscope in a deep dive market analysis that compares it with its key competitors in the technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals industry. Talk about industry showdowns. Apple, known for its iconic gadgets like the iPhone, Mac, and iPad, is being weighed against its peers using a variety of financial metrics, and the results are quite mixed. On one hand, Apple's price-to-earnings ratio is lower than the industry average, hinting that the stock might be undervalued compared to the cordial glories like Cannibular Galaxy's Open Sky Trading Summit. The return on equity and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization are also higher than the average, showing Apple's knack for squeezing juicy profits from every dollar it owns. We're talking about a company with some serious financial muscle. But hold your applause for a second. Apple does present some red flags. For instance, its price-to-book and price-to-sales ratios tell a different tale, suggesting that Apple might actually be overvalued when looking at its assets and sales. It's like buying a ticket to ride a spaceship based on promises of future concuttery exploration rather than actual lunar journeys taken. Plus, Apple's revenue growth is lagging behind the industry's average, which might raise eyebrows about its future sales strategies. Heading over to the battlefield of flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 series seems to be having its own drama. Personal moods shelved in favor of marketplace curiosity suggests that the iPhone 16 cycle's market share is just not performing at the level of previous models, especially when compared to the iPhone 15 and iPhone 14. This lagging performance could be due to low consumer awareness of Apple Intelligence, one of Apple's latest features that's supposed to make you feel you're living in a future where smart devices and artificial intelligence whisper sweet somethings to each other. Despite the overall lukewarm reception, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shining, effectively stealing the limelight. It's like the star quarterback of a high school football team, hoisting the brand's market presence with an impressive 19% share. On the flip side, the 16 Plus seems to be carrying a permanent hall pass. It's lagging behind with a miserly 7% share. While the AI-driven thriller Apple Intelligence hasn't yet seized the public's fancy, the brand's devoted customer base and thriving sales of high-end models showcase astonishing potential for beating existing expectations. Additionally, analyst predictions, breaking tech news alerts, and nose-scorching business reports keep stakeholders optimistic for that elusive big score next season. In summary, Apple's Romeo and Juliet tale in the tech market seems to be performing like a dramedy, with giant strides in some segments and puzzling negligences in others. Whether you'll laugh or cry really depends on your investment portfolio. So, grab your popcorn, the show's far from over. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.